Saying the destiny forever walk a PAD. I'm over here to show me you love. Saying that yes, I'm a J. I'm doing my thing and I want to go and show you love. Saying I don't want to say your name, but over here to put your name when I'm on a song. Let me hear some points for other people so they can know what is on. Saying destiny forever walk a PAD. Do you know she doing fitness? She is a great supporter doing her thing, and yeah, she's getting it in. She's curious about some the old thing, and she's doing her things to grow. Saying I'm over here today, the right now, and you like it when I see your shows. So let's go. Saying the destiny forever walk a PAD in the house. Oh yeah. Saying the destiny forever walk a PAD in the house. Oh yeah. Saying the destiny forever walk a PAD in the house. Oh yeah. Saying the destiny forever walk a PAD in the house. Saying do you know that she is a daredevil and she gonna keep it real. She over there jumping these toes over here. Everybody do you know is ill. Saying it ill to the man, you're doing it with the top and you're doing that thing so right. Saying that yes, I'm over here the right now and I see you getting it tight. Saying I see you with doing your thing and you love to brag on yourself. And other people's over there now and you saying we like it right there. Saying you love it being yourself but over there cause you wanna keep it real. Cause you is destiny forever walk PAD with your skills. So let's go. Destiny forever walk a PAD in the house. Said that destiny forever walk a PAD from the south. Said that destiny forever walk a PAD in the house. Oh yeah. Said that destiny forever walk a PAD in the house. Saying do you know she like to teach you all about your health right now. Just go over there today, the right now. Do you know how she get down? Her color is the black and red, and she just keeping it real. Saying yes, I'm talking about you right now, and yes, I'm doing your skill. Saying thank you for the showing with some love, showing love to the little OJ. Saying now I'm over here the right now, just showing love my way.